There's something that's called, it's like frosting that happens to old action figures when they sit. It's like almost like a molding that happens to the figures. They start to get like, it looks like a white frost on the inside of them. And just this is a little collector tip for anybody that may come across these. You can, if you take a like 60-watt light bulb and either in a lamp or something like that and aim it, not too close because you don't want to melt the packaging, but aim it at the figures and let it sit there. It'll actually make that frosting go away. It'll heat the heat on the plastic makes that mold just go away or whatever. They don't know, nobody knows exactly what it is, but it happens on very old action figures. When we buy action figures, we buy stuff, you get all kinds of things like these price tags. So price tags are very, very common. A lot of collectors like this. They say it's kind of part of the history, the story of the action figure. They like the old price tag seeing it on it. Some don't. One way to get rid of these price tags on these action figures is you can actually take lighter fluid on a Q-tip, soak it up on here, the price tag, and wait, and the glue on the back of the price tag will start to release, and you can just use like a flat, not a sharp blade because it'll scratch, you can scratch the card, but like some kind of flat piece of metal and slowly pull those price tags off. So some figures I leave them on, but some of the newer figures that have them on there, I just take them off and you can't even notice. And then you'll see that it looks like moisture on your card once you've used the lighter fluid. All you do is take like a heat gun or a hair dryer and just heat that edge, and that lighter fluid just dissipates and you never even know it was there.